two options in case of Apollo Traders. Existing, option 1 and option 2. Let's see what all is given. Apollo Traders Limited sells its product through a widely distributed dealer network, allowing a credit period of 15 days only. So as of now, it is providing only 15 days credit. The average variable cost is 60% of sales value and current sales amounts to rupees 100 lakh. To meet the growing competition, the firm is trying to revamp its marketing strategies. This entails changing the credit period suitably and also increasing the sales promotion expenses. So they want to increase sales, so they are thinking of increasing the credit period and also do certain sales promotion expenses. Okay. Which will increase the fixed cost. So see, remember this statement. Sales promotion expenses, which will increase the fixed cost. The marketing department has given you the following estimates for various options. So this is the current position, option 1, option 2. So credit period, as you saw here, it was 15 days for current position. 15 days means half month. Then for option 1, they want to make it 1 month, and for option 2, they want to make it 1.5 month. Sales for current position is 100 lakhs, which is given here. And for the upcoming, it will be 120 lakh and 135 lakh. Fixed cost, they've told it will increase because of certain sales promotion expenses. So see here, fixed cost is given 15, 18 and 20. You need not calculate first off. Second, fixed cost is not remaining fixed. It has increased because they say that there is sales promotion expense, because of which the fixed cost will also increase. Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
I told you earlier also, if they give fixed cost will increase, you have to take the increased values. If they don't, then you will keep the same fixed cost. Then they have given you the bad debt percentage, and the required rate of return is 16%, which is nothing but the cost of capital is what is given. So let's start. What I'll do is, instead of taking 100 lakh, 120 lakh, 135 lakh, I'll take it as 100, 120 and 135. So we'll have less number of zeros and the calculation will be easy. So first thing is, we will take the sales. Sales for the existing, it is 100. For option 1, I'm taking this part of the table. Option 1, 120 and option 2, 135. From this, we minus the variable cost, so less variable cost. What they have mentioned about variable cost is given here. Just see, the average variable cost is 60% of sales value. So whatever sales value we have, 60% of that will be the variable cost. So into bracket, you can write 60% of sales. Okay, so we'll find 60% of 100 is how much? 60. 60% of 120, 72, and 60% of 135, 81. So these are the values of variable cost. When we minus the variable cost, we get the contribution margin. Sales minus variable cost. So 100 minus 60 is 40. 120 minus 72 is 48. And 135 minus 81 is 54. So these are the three options. So we get the contribution Now we'll do less fixed cost. So fixed cost is again given in the problem 15, 18 and 20 for all the three options. So 15 lakhs, 18 lakhs and 20 lakhs. So I'm taking it as 15, 18 and 20. Then they've given the bad debt proportion. If you see here, the last column of the table talking about the bad debts. For the current, it is bad debts is on percentage of sales. For the current position, it is 1% of sales, then 1.5 and 2%. So we will see here less bad debts. So current position means for 100 lakh sales, it is 1%. So 1% of 100,
1.
it will be 1 to 3. So I'm taking it here as 1. Then for the second, the sales is 120 and the bad debt percentage given is 1.5%. So it is nothing but 1.5 divided by 100. So 1.5% it is. So 120 into 1.5%. We'll get
12.8.
12.015. 12.8 you're getting. Is it 12.8?
1.8,
I'm
ma'am.
getting 1.8, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. It's 1.8. So 1.8. We need to keep it in decimals only because we're taking amounts in lakhs. So 1.8 lakhs means it is 1,80,000. Okay. Then 135 is the sales into the bad debt percentage is 2% for the option 2. So 2 divided by 100.
2.7.
2.7.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the bad debt. Any other cost, fixed cost we took, sales we took, bad debts we took, and variable cost is also taken. So there's nothing else given. So we'll find there's no tax rate also. So we'll find the profit or earnings before tax. So 40 minus 15 minus 1, that means 40 minus 16. 24 you will get the profit before tax. 28.2. 31.3. There is no tax given, so write less tax. You get earning after tax. Now we'll find the additional investment. The formula for debtors turnover ratio is 360 divided by average collection period. So 360 divided by 15 days. The average collection period in the first case is half month or 15 days. 360 divided by 15, you get 24
24.
times. Then for the next, it is 1 month. See here, the credit period. 1 month means 30 days. So 360 divided by 30 days. 12 times. And the next is 1.5 months. So you can see in the question 1.5 month. So 1.5 month means 45 days, 30 days of 1 month and 15 days of half month. So 360 divided by 45 days, it is 8 times. So now we can find additional investment, variable cost plus fixed cost divided by debtors turnover ratio. So here is your variable cost. And this is the fixed cost. So we'll add both. 60 plus 15, you get 75. Divided by 24.
3.125.
3.125 lakhs. Then next 72 plus 18. 90 divided by 12. 7.5 you get. The next 81 plus 20. 101 divided by 8 times
12.625.
12.625. So this is the cost. This is the additional investment. We have to find the cost of additional investment. So 3.125 here, right? We'll see what is the value of K. They're given here 16%. So first option 3.125 into 16 divided by 100. 0.5 you get. Check everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, 0.5.
So for the second option, it is 7.5 additional investment into 16 divided by 100.
1.2.
1.2. For the third option, 12.625 into 16 divided by 100.
2.02.
2.02. So we'll minus this to get the profit. So from earning after tax 24, if I minus 0.5, I get 23.5. Then 28 minus 1.2, you get 26.8. And last 31.3 minus 2.02, you get 29.2. These are amounts.
First option EAT is 28.2.
First option is 28.2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
28.2 minus 1.2, you get 27. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see which is the highest, 23.5, 27 or 29.8. It's 29.8. So we'll go to the option 2. That means the company can extend credit of up to 1.5 months, because when they do that, they get highest profit of 29,28,000. 29.28 lakhs it is. So it's nothing but 29,28,000. Here you can write somewhere amounts in lakh. That means these are all in lakhs. Okay. Any doubts in this problem?
No, ma'am.